Hello, my dear children. Very pleasant morning to you all. So, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Now we are in end of this chapter. So next we will see structure of atom. Before last class we have discussed some important sums in first lesson. So let me continue same topic. The first problem is, what is the concentration of sugar in mole liter minus 1? If it is 20 gram are dissolved in enough water to make a final volume up to 2 liter. Okay. So what is the molecular formula of sugar? Molecular formula of sugar is C12 H22 and O11. So this is the molecular formula of sugar. Okay, student. So now what we want, molecular weight of the each element. So each elements, what are the each elements? Carbon. Molecular weight for carbon, how much? That is 12, and hydrogen, that is 1, and for oxygen, that is 16. So this is the molecular weight for the each element, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, so next what we have to find out? We have to find out the concentration of sugar. Concentration of sugar, which means the molecular formula I will write C12 H22 O11. So this is the concentration of sugar. So C, which means carbon, molecular weight is 12, and atomic number also 12, plus for hydrogen they have given 1. So 1 multiply 22 plus 11 multiply 16. Okay, so now we have to multiply and add the given value. 144 plus 22 plus 176. So when we add these three value, we get 344. So this is the concentration of sugar. So what they have asked here, if it is 20 gram are dissolved. So what we have to do? 20 gram are dissolved. That is 20 divided by the whole molecular weight of the sugar, that is 342. Correct? So when we divide, we get answer 0.058 moles. Okay, this is not an answer. This is not a final answer. Next, what they have asked, if it is 20 gram dissolved in enough water to make a final value up to 2 liter. Okay, so if the solutions contain 2 liter, then the concentration of 0.058 moles, how much? So to do this, multiply the number of individual atom for a given element by its atomic number. Okay, we have to multiply this value. So what we have to do? Number of individual atoms for a given element by its atomic mass. So we have to multiply the individual atoms value. First one is carbon. So carbon is 12 and atomic mass is, we know, 12.01 gram per mole. So when we multiply, we get answer 144.12 gram per mole. Correct? Same answer only. And next for hydrogen. So for hydrogen 22 and atomic mass is 1.008 gram per mole. Okay, so when we multiply, what we get answer? 22.176 gram per mole. This is for hydrogen. Then last for oxygen, 11 multiply 16.00 gram per mole. So when we multiply, what we get answer? That is 176.00 gram per mole. Okay, this is the accurate value. Okay, we didn't add here accurate, but here this will be the answer is accurate value. So what we have to do? We have to add everything. What is the value of atomic number? Sorry, carbon. That is 144.12 plus 22.176 plus 176.00. Okay, the whole bracket we put gram per mole. So the final answer is, the total is 342.296 gram per mole. Okay, so this is the answer. So when we round off, what we get answer? 342.30 gram per mole. So total volume of 2 liter is equal to liquid for concentration. So it is always in unit of moles. Correct? We have studied already in molarity definition. It is always in units of mole per liter. So we already this definition we have already studied in molarity topic. Correct? So the answer is 0.058 mole is equal to 0.029 mole per liter. So 0.029 mole is equal to, this is the value of sugar, that is C12, H22 and O11. Correct? So finally we get answer. This is for 2 liter value. So என்ன questionல கேட்டிருக்காங்க, if it is 20 gram or dissolved is enough water to make a final volume of 2 liter. So 2 liter க்கு make up பண்ணனும்னா நமக்கு என்ன concentration of, what is the concentration of sugar in mole ல கேட்டாங்கன்னா, so the result is concentration of sugar C12 H22 O11. The answer is 0.029 mole. Okay student, here how is this come 0.09? Because they have asked 2 liter only, so that is why 0.058 divided by 2. Okay, so 2 liter only. So when we divide, we get answer 0.029. Okay, so this is the answer of concentration of sugar. So next our problem, a building fuel gas contains carbon and hydrogens only. Am I right? So burning a small sample of it in oxygen gives 3.38 gram of carbon dioxide and 0.690 gram of water and no other products. So adula vera endha products illa. So what they have asked here, a volume of 10.0 liter which means that STP means what? Standard temperature at pressure, okay, of this building gas is found to be weigh 11.6 gram. Okay, so what they are asking from this questions, empirical formula of this questions and molar mass of the gas and molecular formula. So if we know empirical formula only, we can identify the molecular formula. Okay, first we will discuss about molar mass. So 1 mole of carbon dioxide contain 12 gram of carbon, correct? 1 mole of 1 mole means that is 49 gram of carbon dioxide contains 12 gram of carbon. So therefore 3.38 gram of carbon dioxide will contain carbon. Am I right? So carbon idhra irukom, so will contain carbon. So what is the answer? 12 gram of carbon divided by 44 gram, which means 1 mole value. 44 gram multiply this 3.38 gram of carbon dioxide in carbon. So when we multiply and divide the answer, we get 0.9217 gram. So this is the value for 3.38 gram of volume. So next what they have asked, 18 gram of water contains 2 gram of hydrogen. So what is the answer? And they have asked here 0.69 gram. Okay, therefore 0.690 gram of water will contain hydrogen, correct? So water என்றப்போ அதில் ஹைட்ரஜனும் இருக்கும். Hydrogen is equal to same step only we will follow here, that is 2 gram upon 18 gram multiply 0.69. So the final answer is 0.0767. So after check the value, so since carbon and hydrogen are the only constituents of the compound, so in the compound la carbon and hydrogens மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. So the total mass of the compound என்னன்னு இப்ப நமக்கு தெரியணும். So what is the total compound of the mass? That is this value 0.217 plus 0.0767 gram. So இது வந்து total mass of the compound. Okay, so the final answer is, when we add, we get answer 0.9984 gram. So this is the total mass of the compound. (0.9984 gram). So next, percentage of the carbon, okay, in the compound, that is 0.9217 gram. This is for carbon divided by the total mass value enna. So what is the total mass value? That is 0.9984 gram. Multiply, so percentage drop 100 la given kudukanum. So the answer is, when we multiply, we get answer 92.32%. This is the percentage of carbon, and percentage of hydrogen in the given compound. So hydrogen value that is 0.0767 gram upon total mass value 0.9984 gram, multiply 100. So what we get answer, that is 7.68%. Okay, so now what we have to find, moles of the carbon in the given compound, that is 92.32, multiply carbon value that is 12, 0 is equal to 7.69. correct? So here the ratio of the carbon to hydrogen, so the value is, therefore the ratio of carbon to hydrogen in the given compound, that is 7.69 for carbon is 7.68 for hydrogen. So the answer is, it is almost equal only. So the answer is 1.1. Okay. So the empirical formula of the gas is CH. So now we can find out. So given questions la verum carbon or hydrogens mattum da irukudhu. So idu rendu ipo idoda nama molar mass of the gas kandupidikanum. Okay, so next question is, so what we find out empirical formula kedachiruchu. Next nama enna kandupidikanum, molar mass of the gas. So weight of 10.0 liter of the gas at STP. STP means standard temperature at pressure, that is 11.6 gram. So these values are already given in formula question. So therefore weight of 22.4 liter of the gas at pressure, STP, which means standard temperature at pressure. So the final answer is 11.6 gram upon 10.0 L multiply 22.4 liter. So the final answer is 25.984 gram. When we round off, we get answer 26 gram. So the molar of the gas is what? 26 gram. The molar mass of the gas is 26 gram. So second namalukku answer kadichichu. So empirical formula we have already find out, that is CH, and molar mass of the gas is already we have find out, that is 26 gram. Okay, so last one, what is the last question? That is molecular formula of the CH, molecular formula. So we know already empirical formula, that is CH. So what we have to find out? We have to find out empirical formula of mass. Mass of CH. This is empirical formula. So mass 12 plus 1. So this is for carbon 12 and for hydrogen 1. So 13 gram we found out now. So for N means number of moles. Molar mass of gas upon empirical formula mass of gas. So we know the molar mass of the gas is 26. Am I right? 26 gram divided by empirical formula of the mass enna, that is 13 gram. So the answer is 2. So N is 2. So with the using of N only we can find out the molecular formula. So what is the molecular formula? To find out the molecular formula is N multiply empirical formula. Am I right? So N 2 multiply and CH. So the answer is C2H2. So molecular formula of the given compound is C2H2. So this is the final answer. So we have calculated 3 questions. So first one is empirical formula we have find out. CH, and second is molar mass of the gas. That is 26 gram, and molecular formula C2H2. So it is very important. Actually this questions I have taken from NCERT 11th book only. You can see the question given below, given book back. It is very important one. So likewise only they will ask questions. It is very important. Please study well. So next question is, this is our third problem. A mixture of CH4, C2H2 occupied a certain volume at a total pressure equal to the 63 torr. This torr, what is meant by torr, I will explain you later. The same gas mixture was burned to carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide alone was collected in the same value and at the same temperature. The pressure was found to be 69 torr. So here what they are asking, what was the mole fraction of CH4 in the original gas mixture? So we will see the solution now. So first what we have to know, what is meant by torr. Okay, torr means a unit of pressure equivalent to one millimeter of mercury in the barometer and equal to 133.32 Pascal. So this is mean by torr. Okay. So torr means a unit of pressure equivalent to 1 millimeter of mercury in a barometer and equal to 133.32 Pascal. Okay, so let me go to the solution. So let the number of the moles CH4 present, we will take N1 mole. Number of moles of CH4 present, that is N1 mole. Okay, and again number of moles of C2H2 present, N2 mole. So we can, therefore the equation is N1 plus N2 is equal to 63. Okay, 63 Kelvin. So the equation is CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 gaseous state plus 2H2O, we know that is liquid state. So now we will see the equation is balanced. Here 2 to the 4, here hydrogen is balanced now. For carbon 1 only, and oxygen 2 to the 4, and here 1 2 and here 1 2. So for the equation is balanced now. So next one is N1 mole gives N1 mole only. Okay, this is for N1 mole. Next, for this also equation is there. C2H4 plus gives 2CO2, it is also gaseous state only, plus H2O, we know that is liquid state. So let's see, the equation is balanced now. Here 2 carbon, here 2 carbon. So carbon is balanced now. For hydrogen, for oxygen next, 3 to the 6 and 2 to the 4. So here the equation is not balanced. So here 3 to the 6, so oxygen is 6 only. Here 2 to the 4, so 4 oxygen only. So to balance the equation, I put 2 here. So 0 2, so oxygen is balanced now. And next hydrogen, here hydrogen is 4, here hydrogen 2 to the 4. So now the equation is balanced now. So for this also N2 mole gives N2 mole. Okay, so after combustion, what we have to do, we have to find the equation, that is total number of moles. Okay, so after combustion, total number of moles. So let me take the equation. This is first equation. This will be first equation. So the equation 2 is N1 plus 2N2 gives 69. Here 69 Kelvin. For this is second equation. Okay, student. So now what we have to do, N1 plus N2 gives 63 Kelvin. This is first equation, correct? And N1 plus 2 N2 gives 69 Kelvin. This is second equation. So we have to change the sign. Here minus, and here minus. So N1 plus into minus, so here we can cancel. So plus N2 and minus 2N. So minus N2 is equal to minus 6K. Okay, so here minus and minus will be cancelled. So N2 value is 6K. So we have to substitute this Nk in first equation. Substitute the value of N2, that is 6K. Okay, 6K. So therefore N1 plus N2 gives 63K. So N1 plus 6K. So value of N2 is 6K only and 63K. So N1 is equal to 63K minus 6 Kelvin. So N1 is 57 Kelvin. So N1 is 57 Kelvin and N2 is 6K. So the mole fraction of what they have asked, mole fraction of CH4 in the original gas mixture only they have asked. So mole fraction of CH4 in the original gas mixture. That is 57 Kelvin, 69 Kelvin. Okay. So the final answer is 19 divided by 21. So this is the answer for the mole fraction of CH4 in the original gas mixture.